Hello, today we're at Hyde Hall.
Yes, and we're going to be having a look at the dry garden, which is an area that really fascinates me.
The dry garden is one of RHS Hyde Hall's crowning achievements, a showcase of drought-tolerant plants that thrive in an area with the lowest rainfall in the UK.
What is more impressive is that apart from when plants are first planted here, it has not been watered for more than 25 years. And yet, this garden is no desert. In fact, it is bursting with colour and variety.
It boasts more than 400 species of plants, originating from areas of low summer rainfall around the world, including South Africa, Australia, South America and the Mediterranean.
I think it's absolutely stunning the amount of variety and colour that they've got in this dry garden. It's definitely something I want to try in our own garden. Interspersed with winding paths and dotted with wildlife sculptures, the garden provides interesting vistas and dramatic planting combinations.
The garden is constructed of coarse-grained boulders with the subsoil mounded over rubble. The topsoil was mixed with a high volume of sand and grit to provide the plants with a free draining environment.
The result is dramatic, and we are definitely inspired. And after the hot, dry spring and early summer we have just had, we now have plans to add a dry area to our garden in the future.
At the top of the hill is the Gardener's Rest, a splendid place to sit and look over the beautiful dry gardens.